The pre-collision assist not available, sensor blocked warning in your Ford means that a bunch of functions depending on the radar sensor are not working in your vehicle, and there are several common reasons why this may happen. First of all, the easiest problem is actually the blocked radar sensor. The radar area may be covered in mud, snow, ice, dust, etc., and this will lead to poor readings from the sensor and the system will just be deactivated automatically. You may check the radar area first of all and clean it carefully if it's dirty. Usually in modern Ford vehicles, the radar sensor is placed in the lower part of the front bumper. It may be in the center on the driver's side, just check the manual to know for sure. Unfortunately, it's not uncommon for Ford vehicles to develop problems with the radars themselves. So the radars may fail or be disconnected, especially after minor accidents that involve hitting the front bumper. This may change the position of the radar sensor that is mounted on pretty thin and weak metal brackets. In this case, you will need professional help. Sometimes radar recalibration will help, and any Ford dealership can do this for you, but in some cases the radar sensor will need to be replaced, which is not cheap at all. One more reason for this error message is very thick fog or heavy snow or rain. The radar sensor that is used by Ford is not perfect. It can be disturbed by a lot of weather factors. If you see this message when the weather is very bad, just deactivate all the cruise control and automatic braking systems and wait till the weather is better. If the warning disappears after that, there is no problem with your car. No need to worry about that. If your Ford is equipped with the camera, one more reason for this message may be the issues with this camera. It's very often something like the fogged windshield or foggy weather. Also, when the sun shines directly into the camera lens, you may again see the pre-collision assist not available error message. Alternatively, the problem may be with the software or electronics. One thing to do first is to check the 12-volt battery. If it has low voltage or it's very old and unstable, you should replace it. The low battery may affect all kinds of electronic modules in your car and throw random messages and warnings. Also check the alternator and see if it provides your vehicle with the proper voltage when the engine is running. To reset the control modules and see if it was just a glitch, you may disconnect the battery for several minutes and connect it back. If the warning doesn't reappear after that, you've just fixed your car for $0. I have an article about this issue on my blog. I will leave the link in the description to this video so you may consider reading it. So, is it safe to drive when you see the pre-collision assist warning? Well, you obviously can continue driving, but you should keep in mind that a lot of things will not be working. So the car will not brake automatically before hitting something on the road, and the adaptive cruise control will not be available. Parking assists, lane keeping assists, and even standard cruise control will not be working. So you will need to keep full control over your car and be more careful than usual.